Welcome to this session of Excel basic training, and in this session we are going to learn how we can customize our menu bar. Can you see customizing of our ribbon and creating our own menu bar? Right now what you can see on the screen is when you click on this home, it has got a particular ribbon. In the ribbon we learned in the previous sessions that there are groups, and in the groups we have a lot of commands. If you click on the insert, we have a separate ribbon altogether, and we have the construct where we see all the things related to insert in different groups and in form of commands. Now the question is this fixed or can we customize it? Can I create my own tab? Can I have my own tab? Can I have my own ribbon? Can I have my own commands? Is it possible in Excel? So friends, yes, this is possible. Now, how to do that? We'll click on this and we'll right click here. Once we right click here, we'll get the option of customize the ribbon. And if I click on customize the ribbon, a window will open up and you can see customize ribbon, and here popular commands are given. We can also get all commands from this. Once we click here, we'll see that this cursor will become very small and we'll get so many commands here, right? And once we have got different commands here and we want to create our own tab, so we'll come on the right hand side of this, and at the bottom there is an option of new tab. As I click on new tab, you can see a new tab is added here. Now, if I go click on this new tab and if I say rename, I can give it a name. So let me call this my new tab and say OK. So as soon as I say my new tab, you can see the name is given here to my tab. Below the tab, I have got a new group. So I click on this and I say rename, and I can call this new group as my new group. You can give it any name. You can give any name as you wish. So I said OK to this and I got a new group here. Okay. Now below this group, I can add some commands. I just choose some of these commands from here. If I'm doing 3D things here, I'll just click and I'll say add, add. And I have added few things here. Now suppose I want to add new group below this. So now I'll add again and I get a new group. I click here and I'll say rename, and I get the option of renaming my new group again. And to this new group, I can give again a name, my new tools, right? And I say okay. So I get a group here, my new tools. And to this group, now if I want to add few tools from here, I'll go down and I'll add, select this, click on the add button, and I'm just adding. You can choose and select any one of your choice. And now what we have done is we are able to add two groups here. So the tab name is my new tab. I have got two groups, my new group and my new tools. And within this group, I have got different commands. Now, if I come at the bottom and if I say OK, you can see that my new tab is created here. My new tab is created and I have got my new group, my new tools, and you can keep adding different things here, different tools here, and create your own tab. And can I go and edit this? Of course, if you go on customize the ribbon again, if you go on customize the ribbon again, you'll get your tabs there, my new tab with your group things. You want to remove something from here, I just clicked and I said remove, 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 remove. I removed everything that was there, and I want to add some basic things like copy, custom sort, cut, decrease font, delete. All these I have added now. So I have been able to modify it. Now if I go and say OK, you will see that I am getting different set of commands here in my new group. So I can go and modify this as and when I feel any requirement. And suppose if I don't want to have this anymore, I want to delete this away all totally, right? So again, if I right click here and I'll go to customize the ribbon, and I'll click on this and I'll just click on remove. No need to do it one by one. I just clicked on the new tab and I say remove, right? And I say okay. And when I come back, I'll see that my new tab is no more there. So if you want to customize your ribbon, you want to customize your menu bar, you can have your own tab, your own groups, and your own commands. And this can help you if you want to customize things and keep all the commands which you need in one particular group. You will not have to roam around for things, right? If you want to have a tab wherein you want to bring some formulas, some charts, and some formatting tools which you are requiring very frequently, you can just name them as my formatting tools, my formulas, my charting options, and you can bring them together, create your own tab and use it, and you will be saved of a lot of time which you may spend searching for the tools and commands in the menu bar when you are working on Excel. So hope friends you are able to customize this and create your own tab and customize your own ribbon. So this is all for this session. Let's meet again in the next session and learn something more interesting. Thank you friends. Thank you.